What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So yesterday I was pretty excited because I made a couple of Terra Luna Classic videos that did pretty well. I wasn't thinking that they were going to do that great. I'm always fascinated when you see certain viewership for certain things that you have there, but they were definitely performing pretty well. And also Terra Luna Classic was performing well. So that's the reason probably why, you saw more traction with Terra Luna Classic videos, is because Terra Luna Classic was moving a little bit, right? You saw it really pumping to a level to where it dropped to zero. And when it drops to zero, people get excited because now it gives it that opportunity to continue to move, continue to gain a little bit more popularity, a little bit more traction, people that are talking about it, all day. And as it did gain that zero, it did not last, or sorry, as it did lose that zero, it did not last long before it ended up going the other way. So I want to talk about why that happened. I want to talk about the volume that we've seen within it and how great that looks, and just really give an overall, review or update as to what's happening with Terra Luna Classic right now. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon at Perry8K. You can follow me over there. The link to Patreon is down in the description. And don't forget about some of the referral links if you guys are interested in, trading on some crypto exchanges and all that stuff. Now, Terra Luna Classic, again, I made some videos yesterday talking about Terra Luna Classic and how it was moving, and it was up like 7% at the time. It ended up being up, like 15% or something. It went to a level to where it dropped to zero. So as you know, it had 4 zeros and it was at 408 or something, 409, something like that. And then started to increase even more as I, was posting those videos, and got to a point to where it dropped that zero and had 3 zeros again. So people were excited about the movement. People were excited about where this could potentially go. And they were even more excited about the volume that we were seeing within it. So right now it's at a $534 million market cap. At this level, or today, as you're seeing, you see $344 million worth of trading volume. That's huge. I see that much trading volume that's going into this play. Still only seeing less than $1 million that's going through DEXs, but seeing that much volume is always exciting. No matter if it's positive or negative, we obviously would love to see positive volume. But today you're seeing more negative volume into it, but we've seen it increase from a level of like $20 million worth of volume to $66 million worth of volume, up to $100 million worth of volume, and now sitting at about $339 million worth of volume. And it's down 18% today. So again, you saw this get up to a high here in the last day of 0.00011 and down to a low of 0.00091. And currently it's sitting about that level. You can see here within this day how it has been level around these levels, and then all of a sudden, somewhere around 1 a.m., it really started to fall a little bit. I was watching the market somewhere around 7. I saw that things were down, but it still was at a drop zero. And then as the day went on, I wasn't really looking at the markets at all. And I got home just recently, within these past couple of hours, saw that things were dropping pretty hard. And the reason why things were dropping was surrounding what the SEC did. And it always seems to be the SEC at this point. The SEC basically said, we're suing Binance, we're suing CZ for, allegedly having some sort of securities violations, and, trading unregistered securities and all that other type of BS that they're really trying to do with Ripple and everybody, basically. They just don't like crypto. They really don't. And they want to put like a stop to it in the US, which is not going to put a stop to it in general, but will put kind of a damper on things because a lot of money flows into it from the US, but you also have a lot of money that flows into it outside the US. But you have multiple millions, if not billions of dollars that are flowing through this, from the US itself. So anyways, Terra Luna Classic is a part of that, right? is getting hit pretty hard. As being labeled by the SEC as kind of an unregistered security as well. But seeing the exchange Binance kind of getting attacked and getting sued over what is being traded on this platform. Terra Luna Classic is kind of included in that. I believe it was labeled that, and USTC being labeled as that. So that was mainly a problem. That's why you're seeing it down by 18%, because it's going to have a larger impact, outside of what you see with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So things don't really look great for Terra Luna Classic. It still is at a higher point than it was before, but it sucks seeing all of those gains, come in, all of that volume come in, and then it gets completely wiped out in the matter of a couple of hours, right? You see in the last 7 days how things have picked up, and on the 4th, that's where we saw things that were leveling out for, a day or so, maybe even a little bit more than that. All of a sudden, as things looked positive to a lot of different positions and a lot of different exchanges, they took that away from us because the SEC wants to go ahead and sue Binance on, multiple violations that they do have, alleged violations. So Terra Luna Classic is down from where it was at some of these highs. Even at some of these levels, it's down from there. But I'm not really worried. Do I still hold my Terra Luna Classic? Is it still in my wallet? Yes, I still have my Terra Luna Classic here. I still have the amount that's staked. I still have some that's over in KuCoin. But I'm not really worried. I think what the SEC is trying to do, and I said this in my other video, is not pointless. I would actually, you know what? It is pointless. I know they claim that they're trying to protect investors and everything, but honestly, I think they're just trying to protect themselves in things that they're not invested into, where money is flowing into. A lot of people are moving money from standard markets over to cryptocurrency because they feel like cryptocurrency is the future. And they don't want cryptocurrency to be the future, or at least if they do, they want to be able to control where people are putting their money and what happens with that money as time moves on. That's why you don't see banks that are heavily invested in cryptocurrency or anything like that. Some banks you do, right? Primarily deal with crypto, but majority of them that you see do not. They're flowing the normal way through standard loans and all of that stuff, loaning out your money multiple times. But anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on Terra Luna Classic to show you where it is and what has happened to it. It's still up 4% over the last 7 days, but over the last day, it is down by 18%. And it kind of hurts a lot of people. But I still believe in where Terra Luna Classic can go and the impact that this can have for the normal investor that's a part of it. So let me know what you think about this, right? And the SEC seems to want to destroy crypto, and I talked about that in my previous video. But do you believe that Terra Luna Classic is going to easily get back to that point to where they drop that zero again? So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.